Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to replace a video that has already been shared. Okay, so I'm standing right here on the edit page, on the edit section of the video that I would like to replace, and let me explain that this is especially useful if you have already launched a campaign and you have already shared the link, and people might have gotten it already and might have some of them might have even watched the video, right? So because of this, you might not want to delete the link actually, and you might of course just make use of this great feature. So this will of course let you just keep or yep just keep the same link and also just put a new video. So this is just basically a savior. So let me show you how it works, and let me actually just close this for a moment. And as you can see here on the second tab, you can notice this is the link already, the share link, and this is the video that I created, and this is the one of course that I want to replace. So first of all, the very first step will be actually to record the video that you want to use actually, or if you have that already set, that's perfectly fine. So the step number two will be just to go here in the edit section. You can go to this little link right here, and you can go ahead and search for the one you want to use. In my case, I'll put this one, and with a single click you'll notice that it will start replacing or transition the video into the correct one. Okay, so that was actually very quick, and let me show you one thing now. Let me go back to this place, and let me show you that if I refresh the landing page, you'll notice that the link is the same and we do have the new video right now. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So hopefully this was actually very helpful to you, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.